third-party cookie is blocked in Chrome either because of Chrome flags or browser configuration. What this console message is about and troubleshoot in terms of the settings and flags that you want to double check will be explained in this video session. Basically, Chrome console area here says it has blocked a third-party cookie. Third-party cookie is a cookie set by a domain other than the website that you're looking at. And Google Chrome is moving towards blocking third-party cookies. As in, third-party cookie usage is being phased out. So when you see this message, when you're looking at a website, this is not an error per se, but rather a heads up for you to say, okay, you know what, which third-party cookies your website is using and what you can do to make sure that your website functions correctly. So first I'll show you the settings. In Google Chrome you can go to your settings, privacy and security, third-party cookies. If you have enabled block third-party cookies, then this message may show here. So you want to test by allowing third-party cookies and then refresh the page. Also, if for some reason you have used Chrome flags to test third-party cookie phaseout and you have that enabled, then Web Developer Toolbar may show you this third-party cookies blocked in Chrome message as well. Now, as I've said, this is not an error per se, but rather telling you as a web developer to be on top of the cookies that is being set on the website, okay? Now, the latest Google Chrome gives us privacy and security tab that you can enable through more tools. And here you can actually see all third-party cookies, blocked third-party cookies. As we can see in this example, Google Analytics is blocked and Facebook, some cookies are blocked and so on. But in this scenario, it's just analytics cookies. And if you're using Google Analytics or even Facebook pixels, then you need to enable consent mode version 2 so that your tracking capability for Google Analytics and Metapixel continues. So basically, when you're seeing this, don't be alarmed, but rather be ready for the changes that Google Chrome is making. And these are the places for you to double check as to what's being blocked. Also, what you can do if you want to test your own website or your client's website is you can actually specifically block third-party cookies using the settings and then empty cache and hard reload to say, okay, now that you're blocking third-party cookies in Google Chrome, does the website or the web page function correctly? Because sometimes cookies can be set in a way that it influences the functionality of the website. You can also enable Chrome flags and test third-party cookie phaseout. You can enable that and relaunch Chrome and double check the functionality of the website. Okay, so that's what third-party cookie is blocked in Chrome, either because of Chrome flags or browser configuration. But once you check the settings and the Chrome flags and double check the website, you want to look at privacy and security, to look at third-party cookies to see what is blocked. In this scenario, as we can see, there is some other APIs happening here. And here there is one that is unknown, and that's also blocked. So at this moment, it's not just analytics or Facebook or YouTube, but there may be other functionalities. So that's what you need to do as well, to triple check the website that you're working on so that it works correctly without relying on third-party cookies.